Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make the sound distant and muffled on your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and we have our audio clip right here. So first let's play it. So the audio is like this, but we're gonna make it distant and muffled. So the effect would be it is like you're hearing it from outside and the music is playing inside the car. So we're gonna do that effect right there on that audio so we could create that illusion. So first of all, to do that, you want to go into your effects panel right here. So once you've found this, then you want to go into search and go for Equalizer. And then go for Paramedic Equalizer, drag it into your audio clip, just like that. And if you cannot see the effects panel, it's here. You need to go into the window and then you make sure that you have your effects right here checked. So you can see the effects panel. And once you've done that, once you have dragged in the Paramedic Equalizer, go into Effect Controls. And then from here, you want to go for Edit and Custom Setup and go into Presets. And then from here, we're going to go for Generic Cloud Pass right there, and we're just gonna drag this one right here so that we can create that illusion. So maybe at this point right here is okay, and let's play it. But as you can see, we can't really hear it, so maybe we can do it like this. You can edit it based on your preference. See, as you can hear, it's like it's playing inside the car, but if you want it to be more heard or louder, then you can go here in the effects control and you can go for 0 right here because I decreased the volume on that. So when I play it, it will now be like this. And now when I exit, so let's just play it. And now we have created an illusion as if the video or the audio is playing inside the car right there. So that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.